Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for yet another video. And today we'll be making one of the most easiest vegan milks of all times, oat milk. This will literally take you just 5 minutes to make and can be a great vegan alternative too. And the ingredients are super simple. All you need is 1 cup of rolled oats, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2.5 cups of cold water. Do not soak the oats in water as that can increase the sliminess of the oats. And also make sure to use ice cold water so that the blender does not heat up while blending and make the milk slimy. The coldness of the water prevents that. All you need to do is add all of these ingredients into the blender. And blend it for around a minute and not more than that. We don't want the blender heating up. Now pour the oats through a nut milk bag or a cheesecloth. The one I'm using is super helpful and will be given down in the description box if you want to purchase it too. You can use a strainer if that's what you have in hand. Now squeeze it gently and slowly so that it doesn't become more and more slimy. The less pressure you put, the less slimier it would become. You'll find some oat pulp as remaining in the nut milk bag. You can just simply use it along with your roti dough. It doesn't have any nutritious benefits, but as zero wasters, we don't need to waste the pulp, which can be added and used for your rotis. This oat pulp can also be stored in the freezer and used later as well. Now pour the oat milk that you have into a glass bottle preferably and not a plastic one. And you can keep it in your fridge for up to 5 days easily. Oat milk is great for using with your cereals, smoothies and anything cold, but may not be the best option for hot drinks and as it can get slimy when heated up. Anyways, this whole process takes you less than 5 minutes and you'll have your creamy oats ready. If you like your milk thinner, you can add more water to the recipe. That's it. That's the entire recipe and it costed me around Rs 40 when making with organic rolled oats. 500 ml of oat milk can cost anywhere from Rs 150 to 200 rupees easily in the market. So that's around 1/5 the market price for what you make at home. So anytime you need vegan milk at home, make your own oat milk as it's cost effective and super easy to make too. So try it out for sure and let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. So I'll see you again in the next videos. Until then, bye bye.